Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Zandy Jamel, and today I'm coming at you with another hair video. Today I'm going to show you how I got these beautiful, luscious, juicy twists, which are my go-to protective style. If you like hair videos along with makeup tutorials, go ahead and subscribe to this channel. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the tutorial. I'm starting with my Curls Blueberry Bliss leave-in conditioner, and I'm going to go ahead and apply that all over the section of hair that I want to twist. I'm making sure to really make sure my ends are nice and moisturized. And I'm just working that product in. And I'm going to go ahead and spritz with water because I do want my hair to be damped while I twist it. And I'm just working that in. Then I'm gonna go ahead and part the section of hair, and then go ahead and part that section, just parting off the section that I want to go ahead and twist. And for my styler today, I'm using the Curls Be Smooth Curl Butter Gel. This is supposed to have a soft hold and it's for protective styles. And I'm just working that product in from roots to end. And because I'm twisting my edges right here, I'm going to go in with my Curl Blueberry Paste just to give my edges a little hold. And I'm going to go ahead and twist all the way down. And I'm twisting all the way down to the ends. I want my ends to be nice and protected. And I'm going to go ahead and repeat on this section. Going to add a little leave-in for my ends. You want to make sure your ends are not dry. And go in with some more styler. Now, if you can see the section of hair, it looks kind of big. When I do twist my hair, I like to have like medium-sized twists. I don't like to make them too small because then it's not fun when I have to take them out and everything. So that's why this section seems like kind of big. I like medium-sized twists. And I make sure to really slide it down, smooth it down nicely when I twist. And I'm just going ahead and parting another section. I do take my time when parting sections of hair because sometimes the ends could get tangled. And if you just rip right through it, that could like mess up your ends. So I really do take my time when parting my hair. Go ahead and spritz it a little bit more with water. Add some more leave-in if you feel it's too dry. And just really work that product in. And I'm really taking my time to work that product in because this is towards the top of my head, which usually be the driest for me. So I want to make sure those ends are really nice and moisturized before I go ahead and twist. And it's the same thing that we've been going through. I went ahead and applied the Curls Be Smooth Butter Gel as my styler. And because that twist that I'm working on right now is on my edge near my perimeter, so I did go ahead and apply some of the Curls Blueberry Paste just to give my edges a little hold. And I only applied the Curls Blueberry Paste around my edges. I didn't do it towards like the back of my head or anything. And as you can see, I'm really smoothing down each side when I'm twisting it, so the twist could be as smooth as possible. And if you, while twisting, if you notice your ends are a little dry, you can always go in and add up some more leave-in. And just doing the same as we've been doing. Really work the product in. add some more leave-in if you feel your ends are too dry. No, I would say I did put extra leave-in on my ends because I filmed this video before I clipped my ends. But by the time I did film this video, I was due for a trim. And I don't know, I like to do my protective styles like before I trim it, because after I trim my hair, I just wear my curls out. But it probably would be best for me to trim it prior to twisting it, but I just didn't feel like doing all that. So I just went ahead and put my hair in twist. And I just swooping it down, smoothing it down. So I'm towards the top of my head. As you can see, look at those ends, they're very dry. I'm gonna go ahead and speed it up a little quick because we're just doing the same thing over again. The only difference with this part is that I'm applied a little bit more product towards the ends because some of those ends are dead. Like I said, I was due for a trim by the time I filmed this video. So you can see right there, all those ends, those needed to go. And I did end up trimming them, some of the twists, why they were in this style, because the ends were just like disgusting me. So I think moving forward, I may trim my hair prior to putting it in a protective style. Depends on how I feel. And just really working that product in and twisting. And I don't braid at the root because I'm not the best braider, but this style could have probably lasted longer had I braided at the root and then worked into a twist, but I didn't want to do that. And as you can see, I'm adding more product to my ends because it really needed it. Always want your ends to be nice and moisturized and protected. Alright, I got that side done, and I'm going to fast forward to when I'm doing the last one on the other side. I did not want to bore you guys. It's the same concept. You part your hair, moisturize it, and twist it. Pretty simple. I would say altogether, this probably took me like an hour and a half. I really wasn't counting. But it could have took that long. I don't know. And I did not count all my twists, you guys. I just did it and I was happy to be done. As you can see, I'm dancing right here because I'm happy to be done because it takes a while. And I did end up wearing my hair like this for a week. So after I'm done, I took my Mielle Organics hair oil and I just went ahead and put that all on my scalp and rubbed it in. And this is the finished look, you guys. These are all my twists. Towards the ends, you can totally tell I need a trim, but hey, it is what it is. And I'm very happy with how it came out. I love having twists as a protective style. I think they're so beautiful, and just, I don't know, I just love them. But go ahead and like this video up if you guys liked it. Please don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.